Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set a custom ringtone for contact on Galaxy S24 FE. First of all, open the phone app and select the contact which you want to change ringtone. So select greetings and click on contact image icon, and from here you can see three dot. Click on this and you can see option change ringtone. Click on this and select ringtone. From here you can see different ringtone, so select the ringtone which you want to change. By applying this method, you can easily set a custom ringtone for contact on Galaxy S24 FE. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.